When you log in as an assessor, you will see all the jobs you've completed for a specific client. Ensure the filter called Assessment Stage is showing in QC. This will display the jobs that you've completed on your device. Click on the location that you wish to review. The Quality Control section for that location will appear. Here, you'll be able to see all the property info regarding the assessment for this location, including the planned target dates and the QC release dates. In the panel on the left-hand side, you can select different sections of the assessment to QC or amend. By selecting Management of Risk, you can review all of the management questions and information on policies and procedures collected during the assessment. This is broken into the same sections as it is on Quidvis Risk app. When you're happy with the information displayed, you can select Checked. This will place a tick next to this section to indicate that it has been reviewed. If you wish to make an amendment, select Edit and the form will change to allow you to correct spellings, input more text, or change dates. If you have answered a question, you may not be able to change it on the portal. This is done to ensure it is the assessor who controls the assessment. Once the information is changed on the device, the result will replicate on the portal. The update takes only seconds. When you have completed reviewing Management of Risk, you can move on to Identified Hazards. These are the risks that you've identified while walking around the building. If you wish to make changes to a risk, select Edit on that risk. You will then be able to review the observation, recommendation, and make additions or changes where required. You can also adjust the risk rating, risk profile, and root cause if required. You can delete pictures taken, but you cannot add additional pictures. Pictures are used to provide evidence of the risks at the time of the assessment and are time and date stamped. You can review the property photos and make amendments where required. You can add new photos to this area should you wish. In the Executive Summary area, you can edit text already entered or add new text to areas not completed on a device. You can add up to 2 A4 pages worth of text for each section in this area. Some assessors may find it easier to complete this on a computer rather than a device. Building-specific attachments such as fire plans, occupancy calculations can be added as a PDF via the Building PDF attachment area. The PDF can be reviewed. Any amendments that were made during the assessment will automatically be reflected in the PDF. If you make changes on the portal, close the PDF and then reopen it for the changes to appear. When you have finished reviewing the assessment, select Mark as Checked. This will allow the person responsible for releasing the assessment to the client to see that it has been reviewed and the date the review was completed.